Hey, what do you want, my classic clone?
I was wondering if I can go take a walk.
Sure, if you do anything wrong, you'll be grounded. You know we have trash to take out soon?
Alright, our trash is full. Can you get the trash?
Okay. Okay. Here we go.
Look, this trash truck looks so cool, and I will steal the trash truck? Ha 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 ha.
Later.
Alright, I'm driving the trash truck and that's instant. Oops, it's the police. Let's go faster.
Look what you did. You crashed the trash truck? You are coming with me now? Alright. Let's see what's on TV. After the news? Oh my gosh, he stole the trash truck. Screw it. Oh, 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 oh. My classic clone, how dare you steal the trash truck?
That's it, you are grounded for life.
Go to your room now. Wah!